Why is my head in your head? What's happening? Ah! Ah! Welcome everybody to the roast of Ethan Blake. Now I would like, before we begin, to make a full disclosure that none of this is a joke. I legitimately hope you fucking burn alive in the deepest depths of hell. And without further ado, let's get started. We're gonna have a good night tonight, folks. I can't even hear half of this shit, bro. This fucking goddamn.
Alright, so I've known Ethan since kindergarten. I don't know why I'm still his friend. I don't know why I fucking talk to him. If he was a good person, I would be honest, but he's fucking not. He's actually a piece of shit. This isn't even a roast. I fucking hate him. The whole point of this was literally just to insult him into suicide. But yeah, fuck you, Ethan.
Yeah, I think he's a pretty cool guy, actually. He's not too bad to talk to. He's pretty likable.
Suck my dick, bro.
Shut the fuck up.
Alright. Thank y'all for having me up on this stage. It's an honor, really, to just roast this piece of fucking shit right here, alright? Take a good look at his stupid ass face, real quick. His side eyes and his T-nose, bro. Alright, so a little side note for y'all. This dude has a uncircumcised penis. Like, what the fuck? What a explanation for yourself?
Hamburger.
Give an explanation for yourself?
Hamburger. Let him out.
Also, and I wouldn't be the person I am today if it wasn't for Ethan, because he's taught me how to hate a person. Just absolutely. Alright. I just wanted to just take a good look at him, right? Just look at this piece of fucking shit. Whenever I hear this dude, I
Chris, get back in your cage.
Man, fuck you.
Suck my balls, fuck nigga!
Alright, just...
Fuck.
Look at me flat teachers, you wink!
What the fuck did you even say, bro?
Anyway. Look, I'm gonna drop down. Put me in creative!
There we go. Okay.
Bro! Bro, let me
Okay.